So why do people come in? It's really lots of different reasons. The most common one, I guess, is because they're disturbing their partner and the partner's not getting any sleep. When you're constantly being elbowed or have to leave the room, it's not much fun. People are going to go away on holiday, need to share a room, that sort of thing. They tend to think, okay, I don't want to be that person in the morning that everybody's glaring at. Or, as I say, the other half has just got sick and tired of it, and it's a case of, do this or you're out. And that may be, spare room, or it might be as drastic as, my marriage is on the line. So it can be pretty devastating for people.